Good morning, students. So today we will learn about various instruments and lab practicals for pharmaceutics. So he is our lab attendant, Mr. Suresh Kumar Meena. He will introduce you about the basic equipments and glasswares that are being used in the pharmaceutical lab. Sir, please.
Burette, resistant, mortar and pestle.
So these are some basic equipments that are being used in our pharmaceutics lab. So our first practical in this pharmaceutics is to prepare and submit 20 ml of simple syrup as per IP and BP. These IP and BP are Indian Pharmacopoeia and British Pharmacopoeia. Whatever we are preparing in these labs, we are preparing by some standards, and that standards are already mentioned in the Indian and British Pharmacopoeia that are considered as our standard books. So let's go for our first practical. In our first practical, we just need two ingredients. First one is sucrose and another one is water, that is distilled water. So after this we will accurately measure the amount of sucrose that is going to be dissolved in distilled water. So let me show you the calculations and formulation table for this. So this is the formulation table for our first experiment. In this, the sucrose is 667 grams for 1 liter of water, and as we have to prepare only 20 ml of simple syrup, we need to calculate it for 20 ml. So for 20 ml the sucrose will be 13.34 grams and water that will be used, that will be 20 ml as per the specifications of Indian Pharmacopoeia. And if we want to prepare as per the specifications of British Pharmacopoeia, then these quantities will change. The amount of sucrose will be 850 grams in 1 liter of water. So accordingly, for 10 ml or 20 ml we have to calculate the quantities of sucrose and water. Now he will show how to weigh the ingredients.
सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं। ये टेयर का बटन है, ये मोड का है। टेयर है जी।
So after starting the balance and pairing it, he is measuring the sucrose as per the given specifications, that is 6.67 grams. Now we have weighed the sucrose. So now we will take this into a beaker. Now we are putting sucrose in the beaker. Now we will measure the water quantity. Now we will take 20 ml of distilled water. Now we will pour this distilled water in beaker and we will stir it. Slowly we will mix the sucrose in water. Slightly they will start dissolving in this water. After some time they will completely dissolve. So now you can see the sucrose particles has completely dissolved and there is no residue left at the bottom of beaker. So now our simple syrup is completely ready, and we can dispense this in the bottle, and now it is completely ready.